I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi Award-Winning Speed Screed. I'm here today to talk about fibre reinforced screed thickness. It's something that we're asked from time to time about exactly how thick the material will go down. So if we're going to place it on top of an existing structural substrate, then a traditional screed, as defined by the British standard, will go down to 40mm bonded. So that's 40mm bonded. If it's on floating construction, then it will go to 65 for domestic and 75 for commercial applications. And when we say a fibre reinforced, that's the polypropylene fibres in the sand and cement mix. There are other specialist semi-dry screeds that will allow you to go down as low as 10mm bonded and 35mm for floating construction. They also contain fibres. Some smoothing compounds, they actually contain microfibres and can be bonded from 1mm. So that's on a concrete substrate. So I hope that's given you a broad overview of fibre screed, fibre reinforcing. Thank you.